Good morning students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe. So class 6, today we are going to start your new chapter number 4. So your new chapter name is Advanced Features of MS Word. So class 6, today we are going to start a new topic using the treasure topic in your MS Word. And MS Word to using the treasure to the part last accepting and rejecting changes and turning off track changes feature. So student class 6, let's discuss about this topic. So the in Microsoft Office student using the treasure features tool in MS Word 2010 allow us to find synonyms of a word. Like the steps to use this tool or features are as follows. So first of all student, open your document file and locate the word for which you wish to find a synonym, then select it with your mouse. After you will open the review tab. In the review tab and click the treasure button in the proving group and you can research the task pane will appear to the right side in the word window. So listing the synonym of the selected word will be appear. So hover your pointer over the synonym that you wish to use. Click the arrow to the right of the word, then click the insert option. After the selected word will change with the selected synonym. So this is the feature of using the treasure in MS Word. So student, open your MS Word. In MS Word you will click and you will go to review tab. So in this review tab you can see the feature of treasure. So this is a feature of treasure. Shift plus F7 is a shortcut key and suggests other words with a similar meaning to the word you have selected. Okay, just click this treasure option. So you can see in the right of the side this is a research and search for this word. Okay, so first of all select any word. So I am going to select horse. Okay, then after you will write in this word horse, HORSE, horse. So then after you will click the search option. So now you can see in the many type of synonym here. So mount, stallion, mare, pony, stiled. So different type of words in here in the treasure meaning synonym word. So click after just word. Okay, after you will click the word answers to any type of word to the help of a treasure feature in MS Word. Okay students, so this is a treasure feature. It's a synonym word you can find easily in our review tab. Okay, so this is the review tab. After you will go the treasure option. Okay, clear student? Now next is your track changes feature. So track changes feature, it's a features to review and suggestion to combination of the track changes features of MS Word. So using the track changes features, when we turn the track changes feature on, the changes made a document become visible alongside the original text. So features are steps follow are open the document which you are reviewing and click on the review tab. In the tracking group, click on the track changes drop down arrow button. After from the menu that appears, select the track changes option. Then the button will become highlighted indicating that the track changes feature has been turned on. Last, make the required changes to the document. The changes will be highlighted with the chosen color red by default. So in the track changes feature you will click student review tab. So this is the review tab and after you will click the proper track changes option. So this is the track changes option. Just click here changing tracking option and changes username. So click changes track option. So in this dialog box will be open here. Okay, and after you can apply in this italic, bold, color features. Then all are option here in this. After you will apply this, then click OK button. Okay, so this is your track changes feature in this here. in your MS Word. Next student is the accepting and rejecting changes feature in MS Word. So MS Word allow us to accept or reject changes made to a document all at once or one at a time. So the first of all, open the review tab and click on the next button. To accept a change, click on the accept drop down arrow button. Then select accept and move to next option. After you will go reject a change, click on the reject drop down arrow button, select reject and move to the next option. And in this way the change will be accepted, rejected one by one. After you will apply to accept all the changes, click on the accept button drop down arrow and then select the accept all the changes in document option. When you apply reject button, so reject button dialog box will be open here in the accept and rejecting changes option. So see class 6, this is in a review tab you can see accept and reject option. So in a accept option, accept and move to the next cell. Okay, and then select is the reject option. So reject and move to the next option here. So two features available in this MS Word, accept and reject features in MS Word. Then adding commands and suggestions. So in this commands and suggestion option will be appear in the MS Word feature. So you can click a review tab. In the review tab, new commands option here. So you can see this is a command option. Okay, you can type here in this type of command like this. Okay, so after you can delete this command. Okay, then apply this command, previous command, next. So all our option is the command option in your MS Word. Then student, last year deleting command option. To delete command inserted in document, follow this step. So to delete a single command, click inside the command balloon, then open the review tab and click on the delete button in the commands group. So to delete all the commands at once from a document, click on the delete button drop down arrow and then select the delete all the commands in document options. After turning off track changes option. So turning off features, click on the review tab, then click on the track changes arrow head button and select the track changes option. So the button color will change back to normal, implying that the option has been turned off. So student, go through and revise all this topic in MS Word features and apply in your document. Okay, class 6.